Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about how to factory reset your Panasonic microwave. Watch the video until the end to learn this and much more. Here is a step-by-step process on how to do this. Open your microwave's door and locate the reset button. You'll find it inside the device or on its control pad. Once you locate the reset button, press it for 5 seconds. When you do, your microwave's display will turn off momentarily. Release the reset button and wait. When the display turns on, reset the time and date using your microwave's control pad. Alternatively, unplug your microwave and leave it off for 5 minutes. Doing so drains residual electricity that stops your microwave from accepting commands. After 5 minutes, plug in your microwave and set the time and date. If your microwave doesn't work after resetting, contact a technician or visit shop.panasonic.com to contact Panasonic for further assistance. The link is in the description. And there you have it. Follow these steps to factory reset a Panasonic microwave. Thanks for watching. Till next time.